He wants another. Okay, okay. I know I can't win. I know. I wasn't playing for a win. Remember what I said about not being cocky? I wasn't. Okay. This will tie up if I can win this game. I'm going to stay focused. Good night, Racer. Hopefully, we'll try to get in some early hour streams for you viewers. Yeah, no, he absolutely blundered. I probably should have analyzed, but I wanted to rematch him. But we can look at it right after. He keeps playing this line. Can't tell if it's doing well for him or not, but I could just do this again. I kind of liked it. It's probably not theory. Oh, he's going back. I haven't seen that one in a while. Yeah, no, I think... I mean, I made a couple mistakes. I mean, I played for the draw, which is good. But I think he should have been able. But it was probably not simple at all for him to win. Even with that many pawns. So idea here is if they come here, they come here. But what if I just, like... His other plan is obviously to push. What if I just don't castle? As a hattery connoisseur, may I recommend blade hats? Okay. Blade hats will look on stream. Thank you. I need hat connoisseurs. Oh, those are fancy. Thank you. Much appreciated. I'm glad chat has their priorities set. Okay, I think we have to castle here. These positions are always so boring. I kind of want to delay my castle as much as I can, but it's about time. He's going to do this, but even this, we trade queens, so if we do that, I'll have this. Going all the way to g5 is time wasting. With this bishop, yeah, I think you're right. I think I should have just went exactly there. Well, yeah, we should analyze this, but these positions, there's like one of the reasons I don't want to play to London anymore, because there's just not much that can happen. This is now interesting, though. Now we're going to trade, and now I can block in the center. And then once I block in the center, then this knight is going to be misplaced, so this is actually a very nice move for me, and now maybe we could do this. They want to do this. I could just attack the queen. It will block my piece, but let's make sure that if I come here, you come here. If I come here, you take, doesn't work. Could also play queen here, but then this is hanging. So I think I need to attack, you take, I take, you take, I take, you take. I mean, it's a trade. Why am I scared of this? Why am I scared of this? I don't know. Now, so the thing that was scary is they're trying to fork me, threaten mate and my queen. Oh. I'm confused. He sent me a message and said, misclick, sad face. But this was a good move. So I don't know what he was trying to do. Maybe go there. This is just a trade. He takes check, I take, and we've both traded our minor's pieces. All right, we're going to have another endgame with this guy. I love this move, but then they'll probably do this. Unless I wanted to be crazy. That's not good. I could also pin him. And then if you take, I take. If you attack, I win a pawn. I feel like this is winning a pawn. Because you take, I take. A bolo tie? That could be my piece. My centerpiece. Pawn is hanging. Did I miss a hanging pawn? G3? Why would I push G3? G3, they could still play this. I don't know if you guys heard the lyrics to that song. I love cream. And tin liquor. Thanks, El Perito Diablo. Alright, we take the rook. I appreciate that. I haven't listened to this stuff in a while, though. Okay, so now I'm just going to attack. I mean, now I'm just up. Well, we do this so we don't lose this. And now we're up in exchange. We just got to not trap our little bishop. But the thing is, his bishop literally has nowhere to go. He's trapped. This is my small bottle. It's half a gallon. We had to downsize because I kept spilling the giant gallon. This would give us a tempo, but help him. This attacks the knight, but he has this. So now let's try to be tricky. Oh, but actually, this is good because I don't want to give the bishop this diagonal. Even if he plays here, my goal is to make this super active and this dead. So this is how you do it. Get a little, put the pieces on dark. And if he wants to develop, he has to do this and we're up in exchange. And now my bishop can always come here. And then we put the rooks here, maybe double, and try to double his pawns. This... I don't think that was worth it for him. I guess he wants to push this. But if he pushes this, he creates a weakness. And now this is a target for me. I could do this, force him to run. Or I could attack, force him to push. Maybe it was good. I could also push. Ooh, this is a nice move. Okay, let's do this and then this. Or maybe just F3 directly, attacking this. He pushes, I take, he takes. If he takes, I take the knights. If he retreats, I take this. Okay. I do this anyways, because I would happily double his pawns. And if he moves this bishop, this is hanging. Check. How do we get in? This just wins. Because of you, I guess you have to sack, but you can't defend otherwise. 22 seconds. If you take, you take. Maybe he tries to win this pawn back like this. Could see him doing some sneaky business. Maybe, okay, he gave it to me. That could have been interesting, but I think I would have done that. He wants this. Trying to get in there so this knight can't move. Once our rook's on the 7th rank, we're going to be happy. And he fell for my bait. I could just take, right? And then I could just do this. Oh, we're at 66, though. Push the passer. Because why not? He can't stop me. Where can this knight go? Here? I could just give it to him. However, this rook is tied up to the bishop. Like, he wants to try to do something with this king, but he doesn't have time. Because I'm about a queen. I should probably attack this. Just here. Ah! Don't flag! If he checks me, I run. And then I take check. And I mate him. He has no checks. Oh, he has this. And I have to do this, and he does this, and I do this. And he does this, I do this, he does this, I do this. Okay, we're fine. I don't know, I just... Bang, bang, bang. Yeah. We're safe. We have 5 seconds. Take, take. Fuck! Oh no, I have a rook. Oh boy. Almost forgot about that rook. That was too close for comfort. I actually could have just won a piece, but I feel like this is a sexy mate.